Your sunroof is stuck open and rain is on the way. Closing it before water damages the interior is your #1 priority. A sunroof can stick open from a blown fuse, a broken cable, debris in the track, or a motor problem. Here are 7 proven ways to close a stuck sunroof using methods that work on most vehicles. Check the sunroof fuse first. The sunroof motor has its own dedicated fuse in the vehicle fuse box. Its job is to protect the motor circuit from electrical overload. When this fuse blows, the motor receives no power and the sunroof stops moving. Drivers waste hours testing motors and switches before realizing a $1 fuse is the actual problem. Always check the fuse before opening any panels. How to do it. Locate the fuse box under the hood or inside the cabin. Check the diagram for the sunroof fuse. Pull the fuse and inspect the metal strip inside for a visible break. Replace it with an identical amperage rating. Test the sunroof. If the new fuse blows immediately, there is a short in the circuit and you need a different solution. Try holding the switch the other direction. The sunroof switch operates the motor in both opening and closing directions. Its job is to send the correct signal to the motor based on which way you press. When the switch is dirty or partially failing, one direction may work, but the other does not. Trying a different switch motion sometimes wakes up the motor and lets you close the roof. How to do it. Press and hold the switch firmly in the close direction for 30 seconds. Try jiggling the switch slightly while holding. Tap the switch lightly with your finger. Try pressing the tilt function first, then the close function. Sometimes the motor responds to a slightly different command pattern when it would not respond to the normal press. Push the sunroof closed by hand. Most sunroofs have a manual override that lets you push them closed in an emergency. The override's job is to bypass the motor when electrical power fails. When the motor is dead, you can sometimes physically slide the sunroof closed with your hands. This method only works on certain designs but is worth trying before more complex repairs. How to do it. Open the headliner. Cover above the sunroof if equipped. Press both hands firmly on the sunroof glass from inside the cabin. Push toward the closed position with steady pressure. Some sunroofs slide closed against the motor when enough force is applied. Stop if you feel any cracking or splintering noises. This method works best on older mechanical sunroof designs. Use the manual override crank. Many vehicles include a manual override crank for emergency closing. Its job is to turn the sunroof motor by hand when electrical power fails. When you locate the crank tool and the access point in the headliner, you can wind the sunroof closed without any electrical input. This is the safest and most reliable method on modern vehicles equipped with this feature. How to do it. Check your owner's manual for the location of the manual override. The crank tool is often stored with the spare tire or in the glove box. Remove a small access panel in the headliner above the sunroof. Insert the crank into the override hole. Turn it slowly clockwise until the sunroof closes completely. Reinstall the access panel. Reset the sunroof control module. Modern sunroofs have a control module that learns the open and close positions. Its job is to manage proper operation and protect against pinching hazards. When the module loses its memory due to a dead battery or electrical glitch, the sunroof stops responding to commands. Performing a reset procedure often restores normal function without any parts replacement. How to do it. Check the service manual for your specific vehicle reset procedure. The typical method involves holding the close button for 10 to 15 seconds with the ignition on. Some vehicles need a battery disconnect for 15 minutes, followed by reconnecting and holding the switch. The exact procedure varies by make and model. Inspect for debris in the sunroof track. The sunroof glass slides in a metal track on each side. Its job is to guide the glass smoothly during opening and closing. When debris like leaves, dirt, or tree material gets caught in the track, the motor cannot move the glass. The motor strains and may overload its safety cutoff. Clearing the track lets the sunroof close normally without any other repair. How to do it. With the sunroof open, shine a flashlight along both side tracks. Look for debris, sticks, leaves, or accumulated dirt. Use a small vacuum or compressed air to clean the tracks completely. Wipe any visible debris with a clean cloth. Apply a small amount of silicone lubricant to the tracks. Try closing the sunroof again with the switch. Get roadside assistance or tow it home. When all DIY methods fail, Calling for help is the smart choice. Their job is to protect your investment from damage when emergency repair is not possible. Cover the sunroof with a tarp or large garbage bag if rain is imminent. Use duct tape to seal the edges and prevent water entry temporarily. Schedule sunroof repair as soon as possible to prevent further damage.